Hi there. I'm thrilled to share with you a comprehensive guide on returning unique values in Python, especially tailored for those just stepping into the IT world. Let's dive into the intricate world of Python data handling together. You see, as a programming language, Python is like a toolkit for those aiming to achieve their goals efficiently. When dealing with data, such as lists or arrays, you often find yourself sifting through elements, needing to either eliminate duplicates or ensure you are working with unique ones. Why, you might ask? Uniqueness often reflects authenticity, originality, and integrity in data, particularly relevant in inventory control, user authentication, and so much more. Different techniques in returning unique values exist, and we are going to dive deep into two powerful Python methods, set and dictionary. Trust me, the knowledge you'll gain from this will make your coding journey smoother. First, let's talk about lists. Lists in Python can easily contain duplicate entries. Now, imagine you've scraped data from a social media platform, and your data list looks like this: data is equal to. You want to eliminate the duplicate ones and twos. Here you may employ the set data type and its magic. Let's code it. Python data is equal to unique underscore data is equal to set print C. After transforming the list to a set, all duplicate values vanish. Now, if you need a list back, simply transform back with list like so: unique underscore data is equal to list. Easy peasy, right? Now, this is where it gets even more interesting. As an IT enthusiast, you must have come across nested lists where the data are arranged in pairs or triples, like. To return unique values from such complex, nested data structures, Python dictionaries can truly help, especially when combined with set. Let's walk through it. Say we have the following list of nested lists: my underscore list is equal to. And the goal is to remove duplicates. As simple as waking up from a nap, right? However, it's not. The first instinct for many is to convert the list into a set, which wouldn't eliminate duplicates across all elements. But remember, what we're dealing with here is a list of lists. Let's apply set within a nested loop. Python my underscore list is equal to unique underscore list is equal to for sub underscore list in my underscore list, unique underscore list dot append, unique underscore list. The output will be, which you'll see is not what we intended. It removed duplicates within sub underscore list, not across all sub underscore list. Hence, we need a slightly different approach. Luckily, Python's comprehensive built-in dictionary allows us to cleverly solve this issue. Remember, dictionaries are essentially key-value pairs, and here, we'll make the key an emblem of each sublist's uniqueness. Let's code it out. Python my underscore list is equal to dict underscore from underscore list is equal to str item for item in my underscore list, unique underscore list is equal to list. Here, the use of str takes our nested lists and transforms them into tuples, which are inherently unique. It will then be keys in our dictionary, so there's no way for duplicate entries to sneak in. The dict underscore int variable is a dictionary generated through dictionary unpacking. The values gets all the values from this dictionary. You now have your unique list of lists without duplicates. And there you go. You've now mastered the art of managing unique values in Python. It's important to remember, though, coding always evolves, and Python continuously updates with newer methods to handle data like sets, but you've gotten the knobs and wheels turning on this one. Now, for your curiosity in exploring further into Python programming, don't forget to visit neeraj.qi.code. Then, visit TechLab to subscribe. Keep learning and see you on the next journey. Now, Let's take a break as I've covered quite a lot in this detailed guide. You can return to it anytime to reinforce your knowledge. Happy coding!